Hi there, we're back with another episode of Jana Eats. And because I am on the cutting edge of all things food, I'm gonna make grain-free cricket flour banana muffins. See this? It's cricket flour. It's awesome. And it makes delicious, tasty treats and no one knows there are bugs in them. The reason why we're cooking with cricket flour is really high in protein. It's a sustainable protein source, it's better than most, and most of the planet, believe it or not, people eat bugs. So we're gonna eat some bugs in our muffins. So these come together in a blender. They're super easy. You're gonna preheat the oven to 375. They bake for 10 to 12 minutes. I have a muffin tin lined in the papers. I just like those papers because nothing sticks. I hate baking muffins and then the things don't come out. No liking. So we're gonna put this together in a high-powered blender. I've got a Blendtec. It's 1 cup of mashed banana. This is about 2 large bananas. And if they're soft and dark, just throw them in the refrigerator and save them because for something like this, because it's terrific. Here, get in there. It's trying to escape. I'm not gonna let it. Then you're gonna put a 1/4 cup of nut butter. I had some cashew butter in the cupboard, so that's what we're using, but you can use almond butter, you can use nutso, anything that your family likes. Then we're gonna put some flax meal. This is ground flax meal. It's different than whole flaxseed. You can take whole flaxseed and grind it, but this is much more efficient. And this, you need 2 tablespoons. And this is going to kind of help it bind together. 1 huevos. Thanks to our chickens, Madge and Mim. You've seen the chickens in other episodes, right? And if not, go find them. They're very entertaining and they're beautiful. They're my beautiful, beautiful little bitties. It's gonna be a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And I use Bob's Red Mill. It's aluminum free. And I just put it in here so it stays fresher. We're also gonna do, these are gluten-free oats. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of the rolled oats. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the cricket flour. Don't be afraid. It doesn't smell or taste like bugs. It smells nutty fresh. Nutty. It's like the black bean brownies. Don't tell people what's in it until it's too late. Does that sound kind of evil? Well, it's not. You're helping people broaden their culinary, gastronomic horizons. So there's a 1/4 cup-ish on in there. I think I've showed you before, this is monk fruit sweetener, and if you'll notice, I got this at Ross, people. I got this at Ross for a discount. Go, TJ Maxx, Ross, Lakanto, who knew? That food aisle kind of blows my mind. It really does. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of Lakanto, which is sugar-free. It's a monk fruit sweetener, and it tastes exactly, and bakes exactly like sugar. Go get yourself some. It's delish. I'm gonna do a little, oh boy, oh yeah. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like vanilla, so I'm gonna put 2. That's how I bake. That's why things don't always turn out. Oh, cinnamon. Cinnamon, see, if I don't write things down and put it on the post, I forget. Why? Because I'm just a beautiful old woman with a faulty memory. That's right. I admit it. Why are my filmers laughing at me? Okay, let's turn on this blender and make this work. So I'm gonna get all the edges. You want those oats nice and blended, and you kind of got to look at the side of the blender. Oh, it smells really banana-y and good. I like banana and cinnamon. It smells good. ought to do it. I'm going to fill these. I watched this muffin thing on YouTube, and everybody's going, "You didn't empty the blender, da 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 da." People, this is show business. We're doing the best we can. Okay, so popping these into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll let you know how they turn out. This isn't a direction, it's a request. Please subscribe to my channel. It makes a big difference for me, and I can keep producing these delicious recipes with crickets. They're out of the oven. They did take about 4 extra minutes. So these took 15 minutes. So FYI. And I wish there was smell-o-vision. But look at these. They are muffiny and delicious. And oh, they smell so good. Cricket! I love bugs. Come eat some. Do it, try it. You're gonna love it and up your protein content. Gluten-free, caffeine-free, and sugar-free thanks to Lakanto. We'll be back next week with another video. Hopefully it'll be enticing and delicious for you. And in the interim, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you. See you again next week. Jana Eats.